Hey, it's Bitty Penny. Welcome to my channel. Today, you guys, I have a collab that I'm doing with Debbie and Letty for the Bitty Papery project. But before I get into that, I have to tell you about the World Card Making Extravaganza that's going on October 7th on Craft Roulette. Please check it out. I'll be talking about it more. Save a date and come hang out with me and everyone else. There's going to be so many people. It's going to be fabulous. Okay. Today's video is about ATCs, which is artist trading cards. They measure 2.5 by 3.5. They can be anything you want. Anything at all. I have this old kit. This is all that's left of it. This is all the paper, ephemera, stickers. This is from the Hip Kit Club. This was from 2021, and it's just time that I use it up. It is not going to make it to 2024. I end up using all of those buttons, some of this ephemera, not all of it. These are chipboard stickers. They're amazing. And most of the paper scraps, there was quite a few. Some of these are just too big, so I'm not using those. But I used all the little paper scraps for the most part. So I'm going to smash this kit, but I did need to bring in some paper to cut. You can cut your ATCs out of anything. One great idea that I have for you is scraps. So now you'll see me using 6x8 paper here, and I'm going to show you how to get 4 ATCs per sheet. But this would be a great way to use up your scraps. Just saying. Okay, so this is a 6x8 sheet of paper. I needed 5 sheets to make 20 cards. So on the 6-inch side, I'm going to cut 2.5-inch strips. So I'll get 2 of those from the 6-inch side, and I'll have a 1-inch strip left over. Then I'm going to turn the paper, and I'm going to cut those to 3.5. So I'll get 2 cards from each of these strips, totaling 4 in all, and some scraps that I can use on the ATC cards. Okay, so that was my choice. I love that it's double-sided because that means the front and the back is automatically decorated for me. A lot of times when you see ATC cards, people make them mixed media, but this paper already looks mixed media. I will give you a hint for all of those attending our event, which is December 2nd in Central Texas, in Georgetown, Texas. I am doing a junk journal session, and it's all about the inner child, the inner artistic child who needs a play date. Okay, so that's what all of my cards, my ATC cards, are based on. I wanted to give each person who comes, you know, a card that could go into the journal that they're going to make in the session with me. So we're going to be channeling our inner child, and we're going to be playing with paper and having so much fun. We have a couple of seats left below, a couple of tickets. They are over on Debbie and Letty's links, so I'm going to leave those linked for you. Please go get a ticket if you want to. We have people traveling to Texas. We have people in different areas of Texas coming. We invite you if you want to participate. The early bird pricing ends October 1st. It's not going up by a ton, but it's going up a little bit. So it's already super affordable. If you guys have seen tickets for other retreats and workshops and things like that, our price is kind of ridiculously low, to be honest. But we just wanted to get together with friends and craft and have fun. We weren't really into it for the money. Anyways, so I'm just decorating. You can decorate your ATCs any way you want. You don't have to have a theme. You can stamp images and color them if that's your thing. I think it's cool when ATCs kind of represent the art that you like to make. So if you love to color and stamp, make your ATCs that way. If you love mixed media, make them mixed media. If you're like me and you just love paper and layers and things like that, then that's the way I decided to go with mine. I wanted to make 20 fun cards. all in an artistic, very like, I don't know. I was trying to channel the inner child, like the whole idea for my session of the workshop is going to be about that, and going into that in the 2024 year, kind of setting the goal for 2024 to let your inner child play more in your crafting and not get so bogged down by rules and, perfection and things like that, but to just play and have fun. Here's a printable that I made on Canva, which is free, and I made it specifically for ATC cards. It's like basically my contact information where people can find me, and I just print these, cut them up, and glue them on the backs of my cards, and it makes filling out the contact information on the back super easy. We are encouraging everyone participating in the workshop to bring ATC cards if you're up for it, and trading them with people in the group. We love the idea that people could go home with so many different artist trading cards. So here's what the back of mine will look like. And this little guy, he made me think of little Miss Muffet who sat on yeah, Tuffet, so eating her curds and weights. That's what I was thinking when I made him. And she was saying, don't give up. And I totally agree with that. This girl just sparkles. And I made some of my own kind of snarky craft sentiments for these cards, which I'll be sharing more about that later. Here's a gent. It's craft 30 somewhere. And he's standing on like a clock. And some of them I use sentiments that I already had in that kit. So it's just a mixture. But yeah, I just had so much fun dreaming up 20 of these little cards. I mean, it was an absolute blast. I didn't want to do anything else. I just wanted to sit and make these cards all day. I used the Tim Holtz mini dolls for these, and they were just the perfect size. Look at this guy with his big, powerful glue gun. Eat, craft, repeat. But yeah, I just love the idea of trading these with everyone and, seeing what others make, seeing what, definitely go check out Debbie's channel today. Go check out Letty's channel today. I'm going to have them linked down below. They are also making artist trading cards. So go see what they have made and see what their inspiration is. Maybe they're going to tell you a little bit more about their part, but no guarantee. I don't know that. But definitely go check them out. We wanted to inspire you guys with this collaboration of ATC cards and inspire you to make them, even if you can't attend. Bummer. We'd love for you to be there, but not everyone can be at our workshop, but maybe you can make these and send them to your gal pals or whoever. I love this one. I stamped the pins on the background. She has a journal. And this one here, like I added more details that I plan on adding to the more plain cards, but I just wanted to share these with you. So I'll go back and add a few details probably. I got plenty of time. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so much fun. They definitely did give my inner child a fun play date. And look at this one. I'm sorry I couldn't pick up the phone. My glue bottle was open and I was crafting. Yes, I was having so much fun. So I hope you got a jolt of inspiration from these little bitty cards. I hope you'll make some, share some, give some away. They are a whole lot of fun. And go check out Debbie and Letty. They are linked down below. Save the date, October 7th. I want to hang out with you over on Craft Roulette. All right, see you guys later. Bye.